Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Try to make sense of what you see and wonder about what makes the universe exist. Be curious, and however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up, said Stephen Hawking, whose work to this day remains a guiding star, helping us understand where we came from and figuring out where we are going. Stephen Hawking, who died on the birthday of Einstein, was born on the 300th death anniversary of Galileo. At the age of 22, he was diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease. As he was preparing to marry his first wife, Jane, doctors predicted he didn't have long to live. They were married for 26 years and went on to have 3 children together. In 1995, he married his nurse, Aileen Mason. Hawking's book, A Brief Story of Time, became a bestseller, sold over 10 million copies. He lived in a wheelchair and used voice synthesizer to communicate, but his net worth was $20 million. He was 94% disabled, but contributed immensely to the field of cosmology, general relativity, and quantum gravity.